Hello friends! In this video I'll show you how to remove rust stains under the toilet rim. So, to remove toilet bowl stains, we need a rust converter. I wet the sponge in this solution and start cleaning the toilet. Next, I moisten paper towels in a rust converter and I tightly stick them around all the rusty stains on the toilet. After 10 minutes, I remove the paper towels and start cleaning the rust stains on the toilet. So, to remove hard water stains from the toilet bowl, use plain white vinegar. I pour some vinegar into a bowl and heat it up. Stick paper towels soaked in vinegar on the calcium deposits in the toilet. After 1 hour, you can start cleaning the toilet. Well, now let me explain how to understand what exactly you need to use. Touch these stains. If they are smooth, then use a rust converter. If you feel plaque with your fingers, then these are water stains and you need to use vinegar. So friends, the toilet bowl is completely clean. I hope you can also clean the toilet under the rim. Click on the video that appears on the screen to see how to remove hard water stains from a toilet bowl. If you like these tips, put your thumb up below the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.